Hi friends, nice to meet you again. Are you ready to learn language art? Okay, today is Wednesday, 7th of October 2020. We're going to review the middle sounds A, I, A, E, O. Are you ready? Let's start now. This boy is hopping. Hop. What is the middle sounds of hop? A or O? Good. Oh. Next. This is hen. What is the middle sound of hen? A or A? Good. A. Next. That is cup. What is the middle sounds of cup? E or A? Yes, A. Cup. Next. What picture is that? Pig. What is the middle sounds of pig? E or O? Good. E. Next. What picture is this? Cap. What is the middle sounds of cap? O or A? Good. A. Next. What picture is this? Good. Sun. What is the middle sound of sun? O or A? Good. A. Sun. Next. What picture is this? Bus. What is the middle sound of bus? O or A? Good. Ah. Next. What picture is that? Bed. What is the middle sounds of bed? E or E? Bed. Yes, A. Next. What picture is this? Mop. What is the middle sounds of mop? O or E? Good. Oh. Okay, do you understand, friends? That's easy, right? Okay. Let's go to our worksheet. It's time to do your worksheet. Don't forget to write your name and date over here. The instruction is complete the missing letters A, I, A, E, or O. Okay, there are 7 boxes. In each box, there are pictures. The first picture, this one will give the example. The first picture is hop. What is the missing letter of hop? A or O? You may choose. And then after that, you should write on the line. Okay? Hop. Which one is the missing letter? A or O? Yes. O. O. And then you should write here on the line. Okay? Are you ready, friends? I think all of you can do it by yourself. Okay? See you on the next video. Thank you very much, friends, and goodbye.